Jenny grew up wild like a Blackfoot daisy, out in the shack with the blue tick hat.